Now, I have a lot of comments on the videos that I've made asking what type of pen I'm using. People seem to really like it. And indeed, I love it myself, and it took me a long time to choose it. So when I started making these videos, this is the kind of pen that I use every day when I'm writing. This one here is the Uniball I pen, and this is my pen of choice for writing your own work, for example, your answer papers for your exams. However, this is just too thin. And even though this is my favourite pen, in addition to the fact that the pink ones are my favourite colour, although I use this every day, they weren't quite suitable for the videos. So what I then did, I looked at something a bit thicker. And these sort here, the kind of OHP universal permanent pens, this is what I relied on all the time in the military. All of my notes were taken on these because it meant they were waterproof. I could write on waterproof notebooks. And when I actually fought in Afghanistan, a lot of the time I'd be writing on the side of the vehicle as I kind of put down coordinates. So I'd even write on my knee when I was out in the field. So these ones here were my favourite pen of choice. But again, these ones here, I found that they were either too thin or indeed they were actually too thick, and there wasn't really that thing in the middle. I then looked at some of these Beryl handwriting pens. These are quite nice, but again, they're too thin. And again, some of them, like the fatter ones, which I know Dr. Physics A uses, I found that these were a little bit too thick. Maybe that's what somebody else had. Eventually, I looked on the internet, and I think I looked in a couple of pen shops, and this is my pen of choice. It is a Pilot V-Sign pen. And it's absolutely brilliant for the videos that I've made. You can see, and I'm sure you've probably seen it, it's just the right thickness for all the videos that I've filmed. And it also comes in loads of different colours. So I've pretty much just used 4 colours of pens for all of my videos. And in fact, I've used, I think this is my 4th black pen at the moment. This one here is one that I've actually used until it's empty, which doesn't always happen, but I've used these pens until there's nothing left inside them. So in answer to your question, what kind of pen do I use? It's a Pilot V-Sign, brilliant for videos, but not so good for actually writing your own notes, and not so good for maybe answering exam questions. Thank you. By the way, have a look at the video that I've got here, and I explain about all the equipment that I think that you need, the essential equipment that you need for A-level physics. Pretty straightforward, but these are my recommendations and what to use. Also, why not subscribe to my channel over here or over here? Thank you.